Welcome back. The big story that we've been breaking, and you've been following every development here on India Today. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh resigning about an hour ago after a 4.5 year or 4 year, 9-month tenure, just barely 4 months ahead of the big Punjab elections. After being asked by the High Command to step down, Captain Amrinder Singh being told that a majority of the party MLAs wanted a change in leadership. That meeting to decide on a change in leadership is also now being held in Chandigarh. Navjot Singh Sidhu, the Congress president for Punjab, is there at the meeting. We are told among the observers for that meeting could be Bhupinder Singh Hooda, the former Haryana chief minister. They have to ensure now that the transition is smooth. But will it be smooth? That's the question that we are asking, because this is what the captain said when he stepped out of Raj Bhavan after handing over his resignation to the governor Banwari Lal Purohit. Listen in to what Captain Amrinder Singh said.
मेरे ऊपर कोई एलिमेंट ऑफ डाउट है कि मैं चला नहीं सका या कोई बात हुई, पर आई फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि जिस तरीके से ये बात हुई है। एंड मैं समझता हूँ अगर ये फीलिंग है, 2 महीने में 3 बार आपने सीएल मेंबर्स ऑफ असेंबली के बुलाए, उसका मुझे फैसला मैंने किया कि मैं इसको इस चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप से मैं आज छोड़ दूंगा और जिन पे उनको भरोसा होगा उनको बुला देंगे। I can only tell you कि मैं हूँ, I have the Congress Chief Minister I have been 5 मिनट तक, और मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी में हूँ एंड मैं अपने साथियों के साथ बात करूँगा और फिर फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स हम डिसाइड करेंगे। मैं हूँ अपने जेड़े मेरे साथी ने, जो मेरे सपोर्टर्स ने, जो मेरे साथ इतने सालों से चले आए, 52 इयर्स पॉलिटिक्स में मुझे हो गए और 9.5 साल मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर रहा हूँ आज तक, और मैं उनसे बात करूंगा अपने लोगों से और फिर मैं फैसला करूंगा। मैंने कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट से बात की थी सुबह और मैंने उनको कह दिया था कि मैं इस्तीफा दे रहा हूं आज। एंड बात ये है कि ये तीसरी बार ये हो रहा है पिछले कुछ 2 महीनों में कि पहले तो एमएलए को एक बार बुलाया दिल्ली में, दूसरी बार बुलाया दिल्ली में, अब तीसरी बार मीटिंग कर रहे हो। मैं अपने आप को मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर कोई एलिमेंट ऑफ डाउट है कि मैं चला नहीं सका या कोई बात हुई, पर आई फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि जिस तरीके से ये बात हुई है। एंड मैं समझता हूँ अगर ये फीलिंग है, 2 महीने में 3 बार आपने सीएल मेंबर्स ऑफ असेंबली के बुलाए, उसका मुझे फैसला मैंने किया कि मैं इसको इस चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप से मैं आज छोड़ दूंगा और जिन पे उनको भरोसा होगा उनको बुला देंगे।
So there you have someone who's been a 2-time chief minister. Remember, he had a full term of 5 years in an earlier tenure, and now 4.5 years. So he's been chief minister for almost 10 years. And here he's saying, I feel humiliated. Now, there are 2 ways to look at this. One is that Captain is in the autumn of his career and perhaps he could have exited gracefully because apparently he didn't have a support of the majority of the MLAs. The second is that the party leadership, the party's so-called Congress High Command, could have handled this better. They allowed it to linger, to fester, to allow a situation where Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh were involved in some kind of a war of words, and it eventually reached the stage where just 4 months before an election, the Congress has committed, some believe, has pressed the self-destruct button. Others will say, as I said earlier, better late than never. The Congress needed to see change in Punjab. What's going to happen next is what now is the key question. Maushami Singh, do you see, has the Congress factored in the possibility that Captain Amrinder Singh may also have a plan B, which could include splitting his party, which could mean realigning himself? Anand Patel, could the captain be looking at realigning himself with either the Congress, with either the BJP or possibly some other party? Have they factored this in? I come back to it. Has this decision been taken with a clear plan in mind? or is this the Congress simply on a whim deciding, chalo, off with the captain, let's try something new?
No, actually, Rajdeep, if you see the turn of events, Congress party tried to avert this decision on a number of occasions. But when they finally realized that the water was going above the neck, it was high time that they should replace Captain Amrinder Singh, because a revolt was brewing, and that would have been even more serious for the Congress party, given the fact that the elections are around the corner. So, the decision has been taken. Who will be the new person? That is to be decided very soon, announced very soon, rather. But yes, as far as captain is concerned, he could have exited gracefully much earlier, when the decision of consultation and review was taken up by the party high command. If you look at the people who were part of the review committee, Mallikarjun Kharge is a Rahul Gandhi loyalist. So clearly, when the consultation process was also on, there were a lot of allegations by the captain camp that, the anti-captain rhetoric is growing, and there is an attempt to remove him from the post. But that decision was averted then. The party tried to follow the middle path, keeping balance towards both Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh. But, it got worse and worse with each passing week. So, finally, the party high command had to take this decision. But as far as captain is concerned, very few options, very limited options for him, Rajdeep. Going with the BJP, I don't think that is a possibility, given the fact that the BJP is facing a lot of resentment in Punjab. Their leaders are not even able to, step into the interiors of Punjab. The farmers are protesting wherever they find a BJP program going on. Their ministers are not able to move out freely. So looks very unlikely, unless, something very drastic happens. If, Modi government takes back the farm laws, perhaps then, he might be able to. But as of now, it's a complete no-no for Captain Amrinder Singh, joining ranks with the BJP with the farm laws intact. He can't. It's very difficult for him at this age to form a new party. Also, the age is not behind him.
Right.
So who will follow him? Who will be the people who will be joining him? Very less time there in his career.
Sure. So the real question is, what really, therefore, can captain do? It appears at the moment, as Anand was just suggesting, that his options are very limited, because he's 80 now. Does he have the capacity to rebuild throw up a new party? Unlikely. Can he be a spoiler is really the question. Will he make this an issue of a Jat Sikh's pride being affected, the humiliation, the word that he used again and again? That's possibly one route that he will take. Clearly, the AAP and the BJP are going to try and take AAP, BJP and Akalis will try and take full advantage of what's happened in the Congress. And we'll go in a minute to the Congress meeting where it's taking place. The Congress Legislature Party meeting is taking place in Chandigarh at the moment. And we'll get a sense from there as to, how the situation is being seen on the ground there by the various potential chief ministerial options. And there's a long list of those chief ministerial options that the Congress has. Sunil Jakhar, of course, whose name is being constantly suggested, remains a potential contender, has been an MP from Gurdaspur, and remember, he lost also from Gurdaspur to he lost that election to Sunny Deol in 2019. Can he be the person? He's been a PCC president, has good relations with all sides, but would the Congress risk having a Punjabi Hindu face going into an election in Punjab? The question, of course, is still, what will captain do? A lot of the attention will continue to be focused on that. I'm going to take a break, but before that, listen in to what the captain said when he went into Raj Bhavan to hand over his resignation.
मेरे ऊपर कोई एलिमेंट ऑफ डाउट है कि मैं चला नहीं सका या कोई बात हुई, पर आई फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि जिस तरीके से ये बात हुई है। एंड मैं समझता हूँ, अगर ये फीलिंग है, 2 महीने में 3 बार आपने CL मेंबर्स ऑफ असेंबली के बुलाए, उसका मुझे फैसला मैंने किया कि मैं इसको इस चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप से मैं अब आज छोड़ दूंगा और जिन पे उनको भरोसा होगा उनको बुला लेंगे। But I can't hear 1 minute. Let me hear one. मैं कहना चाहना थानू कि मैं चीफ मिनिस्टरशिप तो अपना इस्तीफा दे देता है, जिसनों मर्जी हो बनाओ, उन्हां दी मर्जी है। जहाँ तक मेरी फ्यूचर पॉलिटिक्स क्या है, फ्यूचर पॉलिटिक्स इज ऑलवेज देयर एन ऑप्शन एंड आई विल यूज दैट ऑप्शन जब टाइम आएगा। मैं नहीं कह सकता, आई हैव ओनली रिजाइन फ्रॉम माई साइड। आई कैन ओनली टेल यू कि मैं हूँ, आई हैव द कांग्रेस चीफ मिनिस्टर, आई हैव बीन 5 मिनट तक, और मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी में हूँ एंड मैं अपने साथियों के साथ बात करूँगा और फिर फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स हम डिसाइड करेंगे। मैं हूँ अपने जेड़े मेरे साथी ने, जो मेरे सपोर्टर्स ने, जो मेरे साथ इतने सालों से चले आए, 52 ईयर्स पॉलिटिक्स में मुझे हो गए और 9.5 साल मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर रहा हूँ आज तक, और मैं उनसे बात करूंगा अपने लोगों से और फिर मैं फैसला करूंगा। मैंने कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट से बात की थी सुबह,